Hi everyone, today I'm going to show how to make stir fried eggplant. For the ingredient I have 2 eggplant, 1 teaspoon of sugar cane, 1 teaspoon of salt, garlic, green onion, black pepper and olive oil. Okay, right now I'm going to bake the eggplant inside the oven. And I have to use the fork to make some hole like that. Okay, and right now I'm going to put inside the oven. Okay, right now I'm going to cook the eggplant for 40 minutes. Okay, right now I'm going to wash eggplant after I grill inside the oven for easy to peel out the skin. Okay, and right now I'm going to peel out the skin of the eggplant. Okay, right now I'm going to cut the eggplant inside the small pieces. Okay, right now in the hot pan, add some olive oil, add garlic, and a little bit onion, and just a little bit onion, and I will be keep the half for the last step, and stir it well. Okay, and just cook the garlic until it's a little bit golden brown, and then just add the grilled eggplant inside. And then add salt and sugar inside. Add some black pepper. Add green onion inside. Okay, right now stir fried eggplant is ready. So I'm going to transfer inside the plate. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.